Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And very good morning. So today we will continue our lesson, chapter 8, page 200. Okay, page 200, loci. Loci in two dimension. Okay, first we learn about locus. Okay, what do you understand about loci? Okay, what is loci, or we can call it as a locus. Locus is a trace or trajectory formed by a set of points in a plane or three-dimensional shape space that satisfy certain condition. Okay, so it's a trace or trajectory formed by a set of points in a plane or three-dimensional space. Okay, let's say situation A, throwing a ball into the net. So this is the movement. This is the locus. And here, a durian falling from a tree. So this is locus. Okay, a trace. Okay, next we go to example 1. Point C is drawn on a blade of a revolving fan as shown in the diagram. Elaborate and sketch the locus of point C. So point C, okay, when we switch on the fan, okay, the fan will be moving. So the movement will form a circle. Okay, so point C will form a circle. So this is a circle C. Okay, next. Example 2. Okay, the diagram on the right shows a pole MN. This is a pole MN, a rectangular PQRS. Okay, rectangular void PQRS is attached to the pole where PQRS is movable. If the side PQ is rotate 360, mean this is rotate 360. Okay, around MN. What is the three-dimensional shape form? So when move 360, the shape will form a cylinder. The shape will form a cylinder. So this is the cylinder. Okay, the circle we draw using shaded dash line. Okay, the shape form when the side PQ is rotated 360 degrees around pole MN is a right cylinder. Okay, next, example 3. The diagram on the right shows a pole MN. This is MN. A semicircular board PQR. This is board. PQR is attached to the pole where PQR is movable. If PQR is rotated 360, so this is rotate 360. Okay. Okay, when rotate 360 around MN, what is the three-dimensional shape form? So same. We rotate 360. So this will form a sphere. The shape form when the semicircular board is rotated 360 around pole MN is a sphere. So the original shape we draw using solid line, but the movement, okay, the shape of movement we will draw using dash line. Okay, next. That is example 3. I hope all of you can understand. Next, 8.2, loci into dimension. Okay, loci into dimension. Point mark at the same distance. Oh, sorry, this is okay. Example. Okay, in page 204, the locus of a point that is equidistant, okay, the locus of point that is equidistant from a fixed point is a circle centered at the fixed point. Okay, let's say the question mentioned what is the locus if the movement if a point that always move at the same distance from a fixed point. Okay, sorry. Let's say the question asks you what is the shape if a point that always move at the same distance from a fixed point. So let's say this is a fixed point. Okay, and we have one point that always move. One point that always move from a fixed point. This is fixed point. Let's say O. Okay, from fixed point. O is fixed point, and this is a point that move. So locus is a point that move with the equal distance. Equal distance. Okay, let's say the distance is equal. So the shape will form a circle. Or you can do conclusion. A point that always move. Okay, locus is a point that always move at the same distance from a fixed point form a circle. Okay, a point that always move at the same distance from a fixed point form a circle. Okay, example 4. Construct a locus of point P which is always 3 cm from a fixed point. Okay, construct means you need to use your compasses. When the question asks you to construct a locus of point P, which is always 3 cm from a fixed point O. So this is fixed point O, okay? And you need to do the compasses. You measure 3 cm, okay? You measure 3 cm using your compasses, and this is the center. Okay, then you draw locus of point P, form a circle. This is locus of P. Okay, point P. Actually, it's from a point. So point, so draw the locus. Point, dia bergerak. Point itu dia bergerak. Bergerak membentuk circle. So first step, you mark point O. Okay, we mark point O. Set the gap of the compasses at 3 cm. Okay, using compasses, you measure 3 cm. Then you construct a circle of radius 3 cm centered at the point O. Okay, that is how we draw the locus for locus P. Okay, next. The location of the intersecting mark that are equidistant from point P and Q form a straight line through the midpoint of PQ. In general, the locus of point that equidistant from two fixed points is the perpendicular bisector of the line connecting the two fixed points. Okay, let's see. We see this picture. Okay, this diagram, sorry. So this is PQ, point PQ. Okay, how to draw the locus if the locus is equidistant from point P and point Q? So we use compasses also. Okay, compasses. Using the compasses, this is XCM. This is XCM. Using the compasses, mark the intersection 4.5 cm from point P and Q. Okay, repeat step 2 with distances more than 4.5 cm from point P and Q. So you can use measurement 4.5 cm. Okay, using compasses, compasses, you measure 4.5 cm. So you draw the curve. Here also curve. Okay, using the same measurement 4.5, you draw the curve. Okay, this is the curve. Or you can use another length. Let's say this is a 4.5. You use 5 cm. Okay, let's say you use 5 cm. So you get this curve. Okay, 5 cm from P up and 5 cm from P down. 5 cm from Q up and 5 cm from Q down. Okay, you can see this like this diagram. Okay, cannot take 4. Okay, kalau 4 dia tak sampai. So dia punya ukuran dia mesti greater than 4. Kalau 8 kan 8 divided by 2. Divided by 2 equal to 4. Sebab kita nak cari titik tengah dia 4. So mesti lebih daripada 4. Ambil ukuran yang lebih daripada 4. So we draw. Okay. We will draw the straight line. Okay, using ruler. Okay, you can use ruler. So this is the locus. Okay, that is the locus using ruler. Now, okay, so this is 90 degrees. Okay, finish. That is the locus between P and Q. The locus that is equidistant from two fixed points A and B is a straight line perpendicular to the straight line AB, and it passes through the point AB, point of AB. Okay, construct the locus of point B that is equidistant from two fixed points M and N. So we want to draw locus of point P. M, N. So what is the locus? Where is the locus? Equidistant. The question asks you to draw the locus equidistant from two fixed points. Okay, next. I use another color. Let's see, green. Okay, from M. Okay, from M. You draw curve using compasses up and down. Let's say here. Up, here, down. From N, up and down. So use your ruler. Okay, you draw using ruler and pencil. Drawing must use pencil. Draw. Okay. You draw using ruler. Okay. So this is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. So will be equal. Okay. So this is how we draw locus of point P. Okay, next. Example 6. The diagram on the right shows an equilateral triangle PQR. Determine the locus of point X that is equidistant from point P and Q. Okay, equidistant from point P and Q. This is 2 points. So we need to draw the line between these 2 points. So using this point, we draw the what? We draw the curve using compasses. So up and down from P. This is from P. Then from R using compasses also up and down. Then we draw the line using ruler and pencil. So that is our locus. Locus. What is the name of the locus? Oops, sorry. What is the name of the locus? Locus of X. Okay, saya nak sambung sampai point Q sebenarnya. Dah tersalah. Okay. So that is the vertical line. And this name, what is the name? The name is locus of X. Okay. Because the question asks you to draw the locus that is equidistant from point P and R. So from 2 points, so we draw the straight line using compasses. Okay, make sure you draw using compasses. Okay, next. Okay, to determine the locus of point that are of constant distance from a straight line. Okay, draw a straight line MN. Okay, mark a point X which is 3 unit from the line MN. Okay, mark a point, okay, which is 3 unit from the line M and N. So 3 unit, this is 1, 2, 3. So 3 unit. Okay, we right, we cross right X. This is up and down, 3 unit from line MN. Okay, sepanjang ni kita buat yang sama. So why we need to do like that? Because okay, repeat step 2 with as many X point as possible. So what is your conclusion about the location of the point marked equidistant from the straight line? So we will form a straight line. This line. This is the locus. Okay. The locus of point that a constant distance from a straight line, okay, constant distance from a straight line are straight line parallel to that straight line. Okay, means we have AB. This is AB. This is AB. And what is the locus? Okay, if the locus is 2 cm from line AB, 2 cm from line AB. So here 2 cm up, down also 2 cm, 2 cm. So you will draw the horizontal line, okay, using ruler. This is 2 cm and here also 2 cm. And this is the locus. And this is the locus of, let's say, locus of X. Okay, first just now you learn the locus from fixed point. Okay, the locus from fixed point. Okay, the locus from fixed point will form, this is fixed point O. So the locus from fixed point will form a circle. Oh, sorry. This is fixed point. Okay, O. So what is the locus from this fixed point? Okay, using the same distance, equal distance. So the locus will form a circle. Okay, first locus, first shape of locus is circle. Okay, next you learn second locus. Second locus, when you have 2 point, 2 point. Okay, C and D. Okay, this is a line also. So what is the locus equidistant from C and D? So we draw the perpendicular line. Okay, from C and from D using compasses. Okay, and you draw the line. Okay, this is locus. First locus from fixed point. Okay, give the distance. Second locus perpendicular line. This locus equidistant from C and D. Okay, this is locus. And third one, locus straight line. Form a straight line when the locus, okay, the distance of locus is given. Okay, the locus of point that of constant distance from a straight line parallel means this lah. This is parallel to the AB. Okay, now you learn three shape of locus. Circle, straight line, mean perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular bisector, equal length from 2 point, and here equal length from a line. Also form a straight line, up and down. Okay, next. Example 7. The diagram on the right shows a line AB drawn on a square grid with side of 1 unit. On the diagram, draw the locus of the point X, okay, which always move, okay, always move 3 unit. Sorry. Always move 3 unit from line AB. From line AB. So we know our locus always also line. Our locus also line. Okay. How many unit? 3 unit from line AB. So 3 unit. This is 1, 2, 3. So here also 3 unit. Here also. Okay, you can take right and left. Right and left. Okay, 3 unit. So we draw the horizontal line. Horizontal line up and down. Sorry. Using ruler, must use ruler. Okay, this is locus of X. Locus of X. Okay. Okay. Ni dah diberilah. Ini saya ajar cara nak lukis dia. Okay. Tadi refresh balik. Tadi ada satu fixed point. So locus dia bentuk circle. Lagi satu ada dua titik. Okay. Locus dia berbentuk straight line between 2 point. Okay, lagi satu bila ada straight line. So locus dia beri jarak locus daripada line ini. So the shape of locus also straight line. Okay, ada 3. Okay, next. Given 2 line. Okay, draw the locus if the distance between locus and these 2 line are equal. Dia nak locus tu jarak antara 2 line ni sama. Jadi cara yang sama, you draw the curve using compasses. Okay, using compasses. Okay, right, left. Okay, this is from P. From M, right and left. Sama juga. Okay, Q pun sama. Left and right. Curve. Curve using compasses ni dari N pula. From N. Left, right. Okay. Kemudian dah dapat bentuk macam ni. Kita draw the straight line using ruler and pencil. Okay, tak sama. Okay, macam ni. Mesti guna pencil dan kalau garisan must use ruler. Okay, the locus of point that are equidistant from 2 parallel line is a straight line parallel to and passes through the midpoint of the pair of parallel line. Okay, example 8. The diagram on the right shows the rectangle ABCD, drawn on a square grid with side of 1 unit. Describe and draw the locus of X which is equidistant from the line AB and DC. Equidistant from the line AB and DC. So we know our locus must straight line. So draw the using compasses from point A. From point A, compasses left, right. Okay, from D, next, left, right. Okay, the same thing we draw from point B. Okay, using compasses left, right. Then point C, left and right. So using ruler and pencil, we draw the straight line. Okay. So what is the name of this locus? Locus of X. Okay, we give name, we write locus of X. So I repeat, first one, the shape of locus is circle. Mean the locus, the distance from the locus, okay, the distance from the point is equidistant. So the shape of the locus is circle. This is the first shape of locus. Second, we have 2 points. We have 2 points, A and B. Okay, A and B. Okay, point A and B. So what is the locus? If the distance equal from point A and B, So this is the shape of locus. Vertical line. Okay, this is locus. The red one is locus. Point A and B. Between A and B. Okay, if the locus is 3 unit from line AB, 3 unit from line AB, this is A, this is A, and this is B. The locus is 3 unit, 3 unit from line A, B. So must have up and down. Still using compasses. Okay, this is the point A. Using compasses. Okay, or this is grid. Given the grid, the grid square grid. Okay, 3 unit. Question will give square grid, or you need to measure. So we draw the horizontal line. Okay, and next, what is the locus between two lines? What is the locus between two lines? So we use compasses also. We draw the curve, then we draw the curve, left and right from D. So we draw the horizontal line. Okay. We have 4 types of locus. Circle, straight line between 2 points, straight line up and down from straight line, and straight line between 2 lines. Okay, this is locus. Okay. Okay, the locus of point that are equidistant from two intersecting line is the angle bisector of the angle formed by the intersection line. Okay, just now this is perpendicular bisector. This is perpendicular bisector because this is 90 degrees. Perpendicular. Okay, left side also 90 degrees. But here, this is angle bisector. The locus of point that are equidistant from two intersecting line is the angle bisector. Okay, let's say example 9. Construct the locus of point X that is equidistant from two straight line PQ and PN intersecting at P. Okay, intersecting at P. So, locus equal from line PQ and line PN. So, the step, you draw the curve using compasses. Okay, curve using compasses, cut Q and N. Okay, PQ and PN. From this point, okay, from this point, you draw the curve from this point. And from this point also, you draw a curve. From here, this curve. From here, this curve. Okay. And we draw the straight line, horizontal line. Horizontal line. From P from P to that intersection. So this is locus of X. Locus of X. Okay. Okay, this is the step how we draw the locus. So how many locus you have learned? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, just now, in example 9, when we draw this bisector, angle bisector, means, okay, means this angle equal with this angle. Okay, remember, this angle equal with this angle. If here angle A, so here also A. Here A. Okay, equal, equal. That's why we give the name is angle bisector. Okay, next example 10. The diagram on the right shows a square ABCD. Describe and draw the locus of a point which move at the same distance from the straight line. Okay, from the straight line. From the straight line AB and AD. AB, AB, okay, AB, line AB and AD. AD and AD. So, where is the intersection point? Intersection point is A. So, we need to draw from A. We need to draw from A. So, which type? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Okay, which type of locus? Okay, saya tulis ni senang kita tengok baik. Okay, again, first locus from fixed point O. Okay, from fixed point O, and the locus, the shape of locus is circle. This is the first one. Okay, tak sama. Okay, kemudian yang kedua tadi apa kita punya locus bentuk kita? Straight line from line A and B. Straight line from line A and B. Let's say here A, and here B. So dia nak one locus equidistant from point A and B. So we will draw the curve using compasses from point A, and now from point B draw the compasses, another one up and down. So we draw the vertical line. Okay. Okay, and this is equal distance. Okay, second one about the 3 unit. Let's say 3 unit. We have horizontal line Okay, horizontal line. Ini kita refresh balik, sentiasa refresh. A dan B. Okay, kalau dia kata 3 unit, 3 unit, here also 3 unit. Okay, kiri dan kanan, atas dan bawah. So we draw the horizontal line using ruler and pencil. Remember, need to draw using pencil. Okay, and this is the locus. Number 3. Number 4. Number 4, we have 2 line. We have 2 line. Okay. We have 2 line. Okay, what is the locus between between that 2 line? This A, B, C, and D. So what is the locus between 2 line? So same, we use compasses. Okay, use compasses from point A, left and right, from point C, left and right, from point B, left and right, from point D, left and right. So we draw the horizontal line using ruler and pencil. Okay, this is the locus between 2 lines. And last one, okay, the locus angle bisector. We have angle, okay, sorry, angle bisector, up and down. So this is point P. So what is the locus between line PN and PQ? PM. Okay, what is the locus between PN and PM? So this is the intersection point. From this intersection point, we draw the curve. We draw the curve. Okay, the curve like this using compasses. And from this point, okay, we draw another curve using the same measurement, the same length of compasses. This is another one. Then use ruler. Sorry. Okay. So for this example, back to this example. Draw the locus of a point which move at the same distance from the straight line A, B, and AD. So we have the intersection point A. So intersection point A means this is step number 5, intersection point. So intersection point, we draw the curve using compasses. Okay, using compasses. So we draw the curve using compasses from this point A. Okay, this is the curve. Then from point A, then from this point, you draw another curve up. Here from this point also down. Okay, then you draw the line from point A because this is intersection point. From point A, you draw the line. Okay, so this is our locus. This is the locus. Okay, so we have 5 types of locus. You can write this locus in your notebook, your exercise book. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, class.